G'day, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. I don't know which field it was mixed up bits and pieces. Bought it as a bucket of offcuts, rules and millimetres. The material's wetted. The white that you can see sometimes, like on that piece, there's a light reflecting. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer so get a better look. Like I say, these are offcuts. It's been randomly scooped. Nice pattern material there, you can just cut it like that. Over this side, looks like a permanent marker drawn on it for some reason. It is what it is. As I said, these are offcuts, so the cutters could have marked them for some reason. Nice bit of colour over on this side here. It's a piece of choroid by the looks, olive colour there. Same through the middle there. Bit of carving piece, concave. Anyway, gives you an idea of what you're looking at. That's a bit of matrix, I think. Not a very high quality piece. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.